Research has found that your mood is definitely related to the amount and quality of sleep you get each night. Individuals who are chronically sleep deprived feel moody, depressed, and generally out of sorts. If you've been averaging less than 6 to 8 hours of sleep each night, then lack of sleep might be contributing to your symptoms of depression. Try to develop an effective sleep routine. Here are some tips for getting a good night's sleep. Try to follow as many of them as possible, making adjustments for your individual circumstances. Tips for getting a good night's sleep include: go to bed and wake up at the same time each day if possible. Develop a sleep routine to help train your body to know when it's time for sleep. Don't lie in bed awake for more than 20 minutes. Exercise early in the day. Avoid caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol before bed. Create a sleep sanctuary. Try to relax before bed, for example by taking a warm bath. If you continue having trouble sleeping, talk to a health professional.